I hope now she is the same.
What?
Hi, finally.
I don't know. Wait, what did you
Great,
find?
chalo. Can't hear you, Sakshi.
Can you hear me now?
Yeah, okay, clear.
So whatever you said, it worked. Now.
Ha. Yes. I'm turning off the comments. Yes, now start. Come.
Uh, so hi, I'm here for you.
Thank
And
you. So sweet.
so basically, I want to tell everybody I have known Shweta since I was introduced to her through one of my friends, Purna, and it was basically word of mouth. And I've known her ever since, and she has helped me. She has great knowledge about, and like literally, like I'm a foodie, so like I have always been called her up. I need to eat this, I need to lose weight, help me out. And at times your body is low, energy wise you're feeling. I just called her and she always helped me out.
Sakshi, we can't hear you. Can
Hmm?
anybody? हाँ थोड़ा थोड़ा आ रहा है बीच बीच में कट हो रहा है.
I don't know what to do.
Now it's okay. Let's go ahead now. Yeah.
Yeah. So is it
So, so we start with our topic. Yes.
yes.
So tell me first that what do you think is the definition of health?
See, sense of diseases or ailments, of course.
Exactly.
I just want to add one more thing is when you feel your energy levels, also,
Very true.
that is health and healthy, like you're healthy.
Exactly, because even though you have your blood reports and all these CT scans and all, ये तो खाली numbers है. पर अगर मैं दूसरी सब signs बताऊंगी, then you will come to know whether you're really healthy or not. And this is the way the nature also पूरा CT scan करता है. Nature does not have its own, उसकी dictionary में blood report जैसा कुछ है ही नहीं. उसका पूरा natural cycle है. There are 8 clear signs that will help you to understand which level of health you belong to. And
Oh,
in this year 2020 we all are running behind that 6 letter word health. Health के पीछे सब लोग जा रहे हैं. ठीक है.
yes.
So while we are actually going through each of the signs, I want you all to do a scorecard for yourself, so that by the end of the thing we come to know you belong to. So the first 1 minute, I'll just do a deep sign of you being healthy is timely excretion of waste from the body. That means digestion is the first and foremost clean sign for you to be healthy, because अगर correct time पे correct quantity में bowel system clear नहीं होता है, then there are too many waste toxins getting accumulated in your body. And this is the reason why we even there are certain set of people in a country जो कोविड अटैक हुआ है, नॉट ऑल ऑफ देम. इट इज बिकॉज उनकी पूरी सिस्टम अंदर से गंदी है. उनका ऐसे तो नहीं उन्होंने कोई काढ़ा नहीं पिया टू इंक्रीज द इम्यूनिटी और नॉट, बट उनके सोल्जर सेल्स एक्टिव हो चुके थे, बट इट इज बिकॉज ऑफ द पूरा ट्रैफिक जैम फॉर द सोल्जर सेल्स टिल इट अटैक्स द वायरस. वो पूरा ट्रैफिक जैम पूरा टॉक्सिन से भरा हुआ है, एंड दैट इज द रीजन इट अटैक्स फ्यू पीपल एंड नॉट ऑल. Right? And so if you feel fresh, if you feel satisfied after you go to the washroom, then you are the person who needs to take a mark. Can you hear me, Sakshi?
Yeah, I can hear you.
Okay, then you have to put a tick along the sign. Okay, then second sign is no excess weight. If your bowel systems are clean, then clearly there will be no accumulation of fat in the body, and that is the reason there is no excess weight. So if you are somebody who has the normal weight, nahi kam, nahi jada, then you are a person who can actually tick, along this sign. The third one, the most important for all the girls, is the clear skin.
Yeah.
Clear skin is the skin is the direct indicator. Exactly, the skin is the direct indicator of the health and the hygiene of the internal organs. You know, in the Chinese medicine 3000 years ago, they used to use face mapping. मतलब क्या होता है कि पिंपल से पता चल जाता है कि कौन से इंटरनल ऑर्गन्स बिगड़े हुए हैं. So if you get a pimple here on the forehead, it shows that your small intestine is not good. If you get it here in between your brows, then it shows that your liver is not good. If you get it around somewhere here, puffy eyes or some pimples here, shows that kidney is not good. Here on the nose, heart is not clear, not good. And here, समझो यहाँ चिन के आजू बाजू आता है, then there are certain kind of hormonal issues which we need to tackle. And if it's something here around the mouth, large intestine is not good. So you see, it just face पे से pimple से पे पता चलता है from your skin that whether the organs are clear or not. So if you have a clean and clear skin, then you definitely have to mark a tick along this sign. Then next is, so we are now just 5 symptoms, clear signs away from you getting your health score. So, and say stay tuned till the end, because we are going to let you know how to improve your score as well. So now the next we come on to the fourth one, and it is, as you rightly said, energetic throughout the day. नेचर ने हमें इतनी सारी एनर्जी, इतनी सारी ऊर्जा लेके भेजा है कि इफ यू आर हेल्दी, यू कैन डेफिनेटली वर्क फ्रॉम 5 o'clock till 10 o'clock without any nap, without any rest in between. So if you are lazy even after you wake up in the morning, or you feel sleepy all the time, then you have to mark a cross along this sign. Then the next symptom is a strong feeling of hunger. Means जब भी भूख लगे जोरों की, yes, जोरों की लगनी चाहिए. So actually it's very nice because कभी किसी को भूख नसीब ही नहीं होती है, उनको पता ही नहीं चलता है कि भूख का मतलब क्या है. They feel hungry, they sit on the table, but एक रोटी भी खाएंगे ना तो उनकी भूख मिट जाती है, because this shows that the digestion of the previous food is only not done.
Okay.
That is the reason you don't feel hungry. Right? So if you are somebody who really feels good, there is feeling of good hunger for your lunch and dinner, then you have to mark a tick along this sign. Now, the next is experiencing good sleep. That's the most important thing, because physical health agar अच्छी है, तो definitely you will get a very गहरी नींद. Actually, गहरी नींद, यस, गहरी नींद किसको बोलते हैं, एक छोटे बच्चे को पूछना चाहिए. तो अगर हम उसको सोफे से लाके रात को उसके बेड पे ट्रांसफर करते हैं, नेक्स्ट डे उसको पता चलता है कि मुझे ट्रांसफर किया गया था, उसको बोलते हैं गहरी नींद. Unfortunately, we don't have that kind of gehri need. Yeah, you are there, but
both. We are like nothing can, even if something is like, some knock is happening, like someone is drilling something downstairs or something is happening, some faint sound also doesn't bother.
True. Even unfortunately, उतना तो गहरी एक्चुअली हमारा नींद होना चाहिए कि एसी भी बंद कर दो तो नेक्स्ट डे सुबह पता चलना चाहिए कि एसी, बिना एसी के हम सोए थे.
We sleep so deep and like get.
Yeah, but there are people who actually wake up in between so many times. They don't sleep. Like they take at least they toss and turn and take an hour or two before they sleep. So if you are of this kind, if somebody is of that kind, then please mark a cross against this this symptom. The next is no pain in the body. मतलब कोई भी अंग आपको पुकारना नहीं चाहिए your attention. There should not be any pain. हेडेक बोलो, बैक पेन, टेलबोन पेन, काफ पेन, जॉइंट पेन, ये सब नहीं होना चाहिए. हेडेक, आई नो, बिकॉज यू आर अ लिटिल पित्त प्रकृति ना, तो थोड़ा सा है.
And when I'm working, back pain, like depends, not throughout the year.
Yeah, but it's only when there's a little strenuous exercise, I think. Otherwise, no, right?
Yeah. No, but headache
is there because of the acidic levels.
Yeah.
Okay, so and the last one, which is, I'm sure you you will definitely say yes to this, because it's experiencing positive thoughts. हमेशा पॉजिटिव रहना, clear mentality hona, calmer mind is a very good sign to health. You basically jisko jaldi jaldi gussa aa jata hai, or they react with anger or frustration, then you are somebody who needs to put across along this sign.
No,
So
but in the middle, like you can get angry with emotion.
sorry,
I mean,
can't
you
hear
can
you.
be angry, but obviously not often. Not often.
Not often, obviously. There we are, obviously we are humans, we are in this life, तो थोड़ा बहुत तो होने वाला है. But there are people who छोटी छोटी बातों पे, एक कांच का ग्लास भी छोड़ दिया तो गुस्सा हो जाते हैं किसी पे भी, that kind, that you know. So क्योंकि अगर बॉडी अंदर से क्लीन रहेगी तो obviously your mind, your thoughts will also be clean. जैसा अन्न वैसा मन, it is that. Sorry.
Frustrated body.
True, very true. Okay, so these were the clear signs. This will help you to know which level of health you belong to. So I hope even you did, Sakshi, your health score. So what was your score out of 8?
I think, to be honest, because it, 6.
आपका digestion था proper,
I
no
think 6 is.
excess weight. 6. Okay, great. So how do you feel after being healthy? 6 is a nice score, obviously.
Yeah,
It's a nice
6.
score. Though we are reaching towards 8, but okay, it's okay.
6.
But you tell me, how do you feel being healthy?
So for me, I told you, health is being wholesome. You know, levels. For me, energy levels. Before I was suffering every month. I was bad, like head, like literally. Now it's not. It's all gone. And then for me, when I used to wake, I feel energy level down, and so plan how we planned it according how you planned it. After seeing Ayurveda, good in energy level, and know how it feels. Go on, how it feels. To have good body throughout the day, consistent, good, like consistently. So for me, I feel that, yeah, I mean, I've seen the difference. So I can say, like, I'm healthy, and it's all thanks to you, honest.
Thank you. But it's all thanks to you because you did it so dedicatedly.
So it's not only me, you basically, my father got diabetes. You gave me I gave you a frantic call, and he followed it for a month. Obviously, his came down, and he much better. And it's so those things which you suggested, it's like readily available at our home. Like medicine or anything for it. Best everything. So it helped him a lot, and he still follows it. Because immediate, like within a week.
Yeah, that
And
is true.
I want like you to talk more about Ayurveda, because I want people to know, whoever's watching, for them, they should know about Ayurveda and how you plan probably a diet thing for how it is related to Ayurveda.
Sure. Basically, Vata, Pitta, Kapha. Actually, it's a very interesting topic. I'll quickly describe what is Vata, Pitta, Kapha. This is how we actually know what the body type is. So if somebody is a Vata Prakriti, they are somebody, they cannot sit they're very similar to air. They cannot sit at one place. There are so many thoughts going around at one time. And during the COVID, I am sure उन्होंने अपनी traveling plans भी बना दी होगी कि मुझे, यहाँ जाना है, वहाँ जाना है. Right. And these people are actually, what we say, unke tab pe bhi, even if their mobile is open, I'm sure 10 tabs or icons are right now also open, and they refuse to just come out of it. And they're very creative, they're very talkative, but when Vata goes out of balance, they feel very constipated, because ये बंदा है ना, उसको प्यास लगती नहीं है. वो अगर मुझे बोले ना कि मैं 5-6 ग्लास पीता हूँ, फिर भी I will not believe, because ये प्रकृति को प्यास लगती नहीं है. They even skip their meals, they are not even concerned about it. And so the one best tip that I want to give you for Vata people is that please start having little castor oil, little soot, that is the ginger powder, mix it together and add little jaggery for the taste, and just have it at bedtime. Trust me, this will pacify your vata. Okay, now then comes down is the Pitta Prakriti. Pitta Prakriti is something like fire. They're very energetic, very joyful. They are the shan of the group basically. And but उनको ना गुस्सा बहुत जल्दी आ जाता है. They react with anger, with frustration. So अगर कोई kid भी एक पित्ता प्रकृति का होता है ना, तो मुझे उसकी मदर को बोलना पड़ता है कि 12 बजे लंच है, तो भाई 11:30 को ही उसको दे दो, वरना ही इज डेफिनेटली गोइंग टू मेक यू नट्स. And but these people, eat very fast. Their metabolism is amazing as compared to the other two. Okay, and these people need not go gluten free. They can easily have wheat. Just people actually don't follow the crowd. एक ने बनाया gluten तो दूसरा भी खाया. It's not that way. It all depends upon the prakriti or the body type that you belong to. And during this COVID also lockdown, I am sure they must have cleaned their house multiple times. They love enjoying their online workout. They are still waiting कि कभी gym open होए. And they must have started new projects during this lockdown. This is the Pitta Prakriti, because they expect a lot from them, and they are like perfectionists. Then is the Kapha Prakriti. Kapha Prakriti are very very calm, very complacent. उनको कुछ भी बोल दो, उनको कोई फर्क ही नहीं पड़ता, कितना भी criticize कर दो.
Close. Falls in that.
Close. Yeah. But they are very loving, they are very caring, they are like, they are into the teachers and the counseling kind of a profession. But if I get somebody of this kind, their metabolism is very sluggish. Subah ko unko uthana matlab it's a pain for their family or friends or all. And but these people don't like to workouts, but they just love to sit and watch. Pura Netflix ka series घुमा दिया होगा ये lockdown में, dead sure about it. So this is the Kapha Prakriti actually. And briefly, this is what I have described. I hope people understood what Prakriti they belong to. Some people may have just one Prakriti, some people may have the dual Prakritis. And so it later, then we decide upon the food. Like Vata hai, so we have to bring them down, we have to give them with the heavy foods like amaranth and avocados and papaya, banana, जिसको हम उसको नीचे लाके रख सकते हैं. Then Pitta is full of fire. We have to give them very cooling foods like ash gourd and chia seeds, celery. ये सब even amaranth is good for them. Even wheat is good for them. But Kapha Prakriti is a very little delicate people. Let me tell you, for them, remember I give those infused waters. So Kapha Prakriti को मैं especially उनको chili flakes देती हूँ पानी के अंदर, so that it keeps their metabolism always ticking. And for them coconut is a big no, because उनपे बहुत ही सारा mucus जमा हुआ रहता है. So it is better that they don't have coconut. There are many things inside, ये briefly मैंने just describe कर लिया. If people want to know in detail, I'm going to do a detailed one next Saturday with somebody else called Ashish. Yeah.
Or they can ask.
Yes. Sorry, what did you say, Sakshi? आपका बीच-बीच में ना आवाज कट हो रहा है.
I said, or they can get in touch with you and then simply ask you.
Exactly, they can definitely get in touch and take a specified vata, take a specified prakriti kind of a diet, which we normally do. That's a forte. Okay, anyway, so let's get back to the topic.
Yeah. Question. So I wanted to ask you, like people are diggers for sugar. They like to eat sweet. Like I have a sweet tongue. I think most of the people do like to eat sweets. Now the festive season is also coming. So there'll be a lot of mithai, a lot of like Diwali's coming, and then a lot of things, So tell me, how do you craving? How do you go past with it? It's like a hurt.
See, actually, sugar craving ना बहुत खतरनाक चीज है. I always tell sugar cravings like a devil girlfriend or a boyfriend जो हमारे पास सब कुछ लेती है पर हमें कुछ देती नहीं है. उसके खुद के मेटाबॉलिज्म के लिए क्रोमियम ले लेगी, विटामिन डी ले लेगी, बट फाइनली हमें उस पर डिपेंडेंट होना पड़ता है. वंस यू टेक, यू जस्ट कीप ऑन टेकिंग इट, बट frankly, माँ ही होती है, पापा पापा ही होते हैं. So sugar alternatives थोड़े difficult हो जाते हैं. But if you go back to your ancient intelligence, normally what we used to eat chana with little jaggery in it and little teaspoon of ghee. Trust me, ये simple चीज है. It's so powerful. आप खाली ये 7 दिन ले लो, the sugar cravings will not be there next time. Or maybe you can take some peanut chicky or a Rajgira tikki, that's the amaranth chicky, homemade. You can definitely enjoy on them. You can even do coconut flakes with little dry kharek, you know that yellow kharek which I had sent you once, and almonds. उसका कोई थोड़ा सा trail mix बना के भी आप every evening you just have it. The main aim is that don't do self denial, you know कि नहीं खाना है, नहीं खाना है, नहीं खाना है. फिर कभी ना एक bomb फुटता है and तभी you will have a tub full of ice cream. Always have little every day so that it just curbs your cravings down. क्योंकि एक बार खा लिया तो वो 2 वीक का पूरी मेहनत गई पानी में. It is that way.
So
But
are you suggesting we should have sweets and in like the healthy sweets?
healthy sweets, the natural one. As I said, sugar to bilkul bhi nahi. That's really processed. That's really refined. Sorry.
In a week, how many times can you have it?
See, in a week you can definitely have two times, not more than that. Even Diwali ke agar mithai se
Your timing, like morning, evening?
evening snacks, just rely on evening. Don't mix it with your lunch, don't mix it with your dinner. Just evening snack mein ek baar le lo, so that it counts those few 120 calories, and at the same time you satisfy yourself. Don't go behind healthy desserts like keto desserts and all those desserts, gluten free desserts, because they are, you feel that it's healthy, but trust me, they are not healthy if with respect to your calories. You may consume more if you really don't know what is going inside.
Okay.
And desi mithais, घर की बनी हुई मिठाई, just do have it. But एक लड्डू बनाया, एक बर्फी बनाया, stick to only one. Because when you have a second, if you're having a second, just think of yourself कितना मेहनत किया है to push down your, just picture yourself on कितने compliments मिलने वाले हैं later, or maybe which dress you want to really go into, all that will really help you to curb yourself, to control yourself. And please try to educate yourself. Everybody knows कि ये मिठाई नहीं healthy है, ये energy bar नहीं healthy है, but still थोड़ा बहुत मन मान कार करके वहीं जाते हैं हम लोग. But just educate yourself. This is how I can relate to control yourself, to control your mind.
So I'm expecting a Diwali season from you.
Sure, definitely. I will make
like meat, and even we can consume, all of us.
I'll make at home and I'll send it to you.
No, you can just send the recipe. Take it here.
Chalo, good. So Sakshi, I just want to even touch how to improve the health score. This is the last topic that we may be talking about. And quickly, I just run that initially, when you start with your day, you always have to start with the Ashgard juice. You remember मैंने बाबा को भी दिया था Ashgard juice. Ashgard juice is just nothing. It's a petha. It's very alkaline in nature. If Ashgard is not available anywhere, you can even have some coconut water. Coconut water is very natural, very healthy, nutritive thing at home, because even rishis, munis, agar मैं बोलूँ मैं ancient intelligence use करते, nowadays people use lot of artificial intelligence. AI definitely is very nice for the future, but for health, please use ancient intelligence. This is the new ancient, and ancient has to be a new normal actually. And Rishi Muni ko bhi pata tha ki coconut kitna nutritive tha, but that time only the coastal areas had this coconut available. So उनको लाना था कैसे भी करके, mandatory करना था. तो उन्होंने हर एक ceremonies, हर एक मुंडन हो, death हो, marriage हो, कुछ भी हो, पूजन हो, coconut lana zaruri ho gaya tha. So people started getting coconut, started eating it, and this is how it's so nutritive actually. And then we come down to the breakfast. I request people say breakfast like a king and all. Trust me, you also know I don't believe in this. Breakfast, जैसे again use your ancient intelligence. Body uses the sun cycle. Okay, sun मतलब जब भी वो sun rise होता है, that time the it's not the peak. Lunch is the peak, and sunset, that's the dinner, has to be lighter. Thanks to this social media who is actually projecting all these things. But trust me, I don't believe, it's all rubbish. They just want to sell their oats, muesli, cornflake ka dabba, but don't have it. And always start your breakfast with fruits. Fruits are full of water, full of fiber, and it again helps to cleanse your system. Okay, then comes the lunch. Tell me.
I have one more question. Does climate affect your body, like in like diet and body?
Yes, yes, definitely. Climb.
This off, and then you will move on to that. Sorry, I interrupted before I could forget. I had to
I
like.
cannot get you. What did you say? Climate and uske baad?
Does climate affect your body and your diet?
Yeah, definitely climate affects the body.
So,
I always believe.
so you were on the lunch bit. Before I could forget, I just had to interrupt. So
No,
you
no,
can
no, no.
start and then move on to.
डेफिनेटली क्लाइमेट है, जैसे जैसे विंटर का जो विंटर्स में जो सुपर फूड्स रहते हैं वो चीजें हम गर्मी में नहीं, तो समर्स में भी कांट टेक, अदरवाइज आप पित्त प्रकृति विल इंक्रीज अ लॉट, यू नो, आपके आपके प्रकृति में इम्बैलेंसेस स्टार्ट हो जाएंगे. सो दिस इज हाउ एक्चुअली द क्लाइमेट अफेक्ट्स. दिस इज लाइक विंटर फूड्स है तो विंटर में ही रहने दो, एंड एज इट इज इट्स सो पीपल हैव टोल्ड अस दैट दीज आर सीजनल फूड्स, बट फ्रैंकली किसी को पता ही नहीं चलता कि कौन सा सीजनल है कौन सा नहीं है. नाउअडेज इफ यू आस्क द जनरेशन, watermelon 365 days, corn available 365 days, but watermelon is actually a summer food. It's full of water. आप अभी नहीं ले सकते उसको. It's that आपको वायु create हो जाएगा. You know, so don't eat wrong. People do wrong eating, wrong combinations, because everything is available everywhere at any time. So always rely.
Yeah.
Sorry.
Yeah. Like available throughout the seasons, not the wet.
Exactly. So always try to Google, or कुछ Google ना करे, but try to Google के whether this fruit is seasonal or not, and try to have it accordingly. Otherwise, there will be imbalances in your body, and then it results into, you know, all kinds of all kinds of diseases later. Yeah. So then the lunch, the thumb rule has to be that have one grain meal throughout the day, only one grain meal. So lunch, as I said, it's at peak, you know, आराम से body digest कर पाएगा. तो always try to have roti, sabji, dal during the lunch time. You can have your khapli atta, you can have your ragi, amaranth, कोई भी ले सकते हो. Try to use all the complex carbs here. And also, again, as I said, amaranth, very few people know that amaranth and quinoa are one and the same. Okay, but quinoa is a staple food for South Americans, and amaranth is very much local to our Indians, which we can easily digest, and it is so pocket friendly. If you Google the protein content of amaranth and quinoa, trust me, both are same. Okay, so now come down to evenings, and evenings is where I want you all to have your nuts and seeds, because we need fat. Zero fat to ho hi nahi sakta. You really need fat. You need good fat, omega-3 fatty acids. So we use coconuts here. We use pumpkin seeds, sunflower seeds, flax seeds, all these seeds. Only 5 seeds are actually very good: sesame seeds, sunflower seeds, pumpkin seeds, muskmelon seeds, and alsi seeds. Did I say alsi? Flax seeds. Okay, so so this is it. These are the seeds that we need. And dinner, again, as I said, it has to be lighter. So a bowl of soup, a bowl of salad. But again, if you are a vata prakriti, don't have raw salads. Just avoid raw salads, because it's not, you will not be able to digest it. Or you instead, you can have some stir fry. You can make it like a patty and have it. So so this is how you improve the score. Trust me, people, if you really follow this just for 10 days, you see your score will improve from whatever number to 8. And I bet you on that. Within a week, for sure. You'll see good clear skin, good digestion, good sleep, good energy levels within a week. And this will then motivate you to follow throughout your life.
Okay, nice.
So Sakshi, this is the, like, we almost finished with our whatever I wanted to actually share. But if you have any questions, or should I start the comment box and answer a few questions?
That out, because I think whatever I have asked before, everybody could ask.
True. So I've started with the comment box. We'll answer 1 or 2 questions. Okay. If you have any questions, please do send. Hello, 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 everybody. Everybody is only going to tell you hello. Hi, Rutu. I think they don't have any questions.
Yeah.
Maybe I can just share a tip for a hair, because
and then turned it on now. So
हो सकता है. Right. maybe I'll just start maybe hair के बारे में, because I'm sure सबको hair का issues है, because BMC has added little chlorine in the water, and that is the reason we have these issues. Yeah, fluoride and chlorine, and that is the reason too many issues, at least especially in Mumbai. And for the hair, I just request everyone to make a pack basically of chatamasi, then avla powder, methi seeds, hibiscus powder, rose powder, clove powder. ये सब mix करके just apply it on your hair. Just this powder you apply thrice in 10 days. Trust me, it is going to help you to reduce your hair fall by 80%. Surely, it will definitely help you. Your hair tips I bent. I had secret behind. Oh, sorry.
When can we have somebody?
Sorry.
Somebody
Hair
asked.
issues. I just finished Chirag right now about the hair. More about hair, you can go to my post and have a look. There are many IGTV videos there. All are just shouting about Mahi. How's Mahi?
Isn't
All
Dubai?
great. Yes.
He asked which food improves memory power.
Memory power. Okay. Okay, let's start. It's like you please make a powder of almond, coriander seeds. Coriander seeds don't. It's not related to memory power, but it is to clean your bowel system. That is your constipation, because studies have shown that constipation will actually lead to blurry vision. Also, yes, yes. So if you want to, it's all connected. The gut and the brain, everything is connected actually. So memory ke liye, please have almonds, walnuts, little coriander powder in it, pumpkin seeds, flax seeds, and kharik, the dry kharik in it, because of the tryptophan that we get. All this really boosts up your serotonin inside and helps you to improve the memory power, especially for the kids. They need it. It's a need of an hour.
There are more questions. Asking for a glow pack for skin to calm down acid. Like
calm down your acid levels. The best is have soaked soft, that is variali, and 8 black raisins. Always have it empty stomach. Just chew it for 7 to 8 times, and along with it have ashgod juice. These two things are super for you to bring down your acid levels. Even for gas and bloating, I'll just add on and then we switch it off.
Powder, Shweta, the best.
Yes, that's really very good. If nobody, like किसी को नहीं available है, then obvious.
She also knows about your bloating powder. It was a very
True. So, did you actually? I did not get you, but sorry, constipation. Okay, now I just tell you about the debloat powder. No, the ingredients that you can mix is again the coriander seeds. Like have a glass of water, boil coriander seeds, cumin, ajwain, and little fennel. Boil it, strain it, and have warm every day. Empty stomach in the mornings. Your bloating, your water retention, your gas issues are gone for sure. All these natural remedies really work wonders rather than any quick fix things.
Madhav is asking weight loss diet.
वेट लॉस डाइट, ये डाइट सच्ची बोलो, ये मैंने जो अभी शेयर किया ना, वो डाइट फॉलो करो. फॉर विद इन अ वीक यू लूज 2 kilos फॉर श्योर माधव.
Yeah, and that's it, I guess.
That's it. Yes, so it was nice conversation. I hope people really have benefited from it. Sakshi, what you want to say? You say now.
I'm glad, like, we could sit and talk this for like everybody, like they know about like how Ayurveda and how like body type, how we can eat according to our body type, and like, that small thing can help us balance. Because I have not about health or diet, anything ever.
Right.
So, yeah, for me, being wholesome is the most.
Very true. Be wholesome, be natural. This is what is actually the new normal now. Don't run behind any kind of fat diets and weight loss diets. That's it. So I hope you all improve your health score, and see you all soon. Any comments, any queries, do message us. We will try to reply you back. Thank you. Thanks, Sakshi.
Bye. I think there's a going on. I didn't even know, so I'm going to go follow up. Okay, bye.
Bye.